Hi, this is Ann with SVG Cut File, and today I'm going to show you how to mirror an image for free online with a program, actually a website, called Vector Ink. And I do want to say, if you're going to be using this with a Cricut or Silhouette machine, you don't need to do that beforehand. You can just do that in the Cricut and Silhouette software. And if you need to know how to do that, I have a couple other videos. They should be right up here at the top of your screen right now. All right, let's get started. Okay, so first let's head to Vector Ink, and I'll put the link to this in the description below. Next, we'll click on the three little lines. This is called a hamburger menu, and then I'm going to choose Import. Then I'll navigate to where my SVG file is located. I'm going to use this SVG that I downloaded from vecteezy.com. Now, mine's coming in a little big, so I'm just going to click and resize this, holding Shift and Option. And that's Shift and Alt on a PC. There we go. Next, make sure your design is selected, and then click the third icon up here on the right. And that'll flip it horizontally. Now to export, come back to the hamburger menu and choose Export SVG. Then it'll go into your Downloads folder. And here it is. Now, one strange thing about this website is it actually adds a white background to your image. And I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to go to Cricut, I'll upload, I'll browse and navigate to that file, and I'll open. I'll continue, and then I'll upload. So here you can see we've got this white background. So what we can do about that, I'll just come over here to my Layers panel, and I'm going to click that background and just hit delete on my keyboard. So that gets rid of it. And then I have all the regular layers in the graphic. And that's it. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, just click on the subscribe button and the little bell next to it, and you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.